Hello buddies, welcome to a brand new ASMR video. Now in this video we try lots of triggers that they don't have value, okay, and you tell me in comment which one is best trigger for sleep and relaxing. I just pick up on trash this trigger. Now let's start the video. First I request you to subscribe, like, share, comment and suggest different video ideas. If you have any, then tell me in comment. I will make a video on your idea. Okay buddies.